Hi everyone, I'm Stella from Beyond Norm. Today, I want to share a simple but powerful idea from a book called The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. If you follow these 4 principles, you'll feel more free, peaceful, and confident every day. Let's take a look. 1. Be impeccable with your word. That means speak honestly and kindly. Avoid using words that hurt, shame, or criticize yourself or others. Words are powerful. When we use them negatively, they can damage self-esteem, relationships, and even our health. For example, saying, "I'm so stupid," or "I'll never be good at this," lowers your confidence and limits your growth. Or comparing others. "Why can't you be more like your brother?" That never feels good, does it? Instead, say something like, "I'm still learning, and I'm getting better." As Ruiz writes, use the power of your word in the direction of truth and love. Why does it matter? Because the way we speak shapes how we feel and how others feel around us. When you speak with kindness and respect, you create confidence, trust, and emotional safety. Discussion question. Do you ever say negative things to yourself? How does that affect your mood or confidence? What are some ways you can start using your words more positively at home, school, or work? 2. Don't take anything personally. What others say or do is about them, not you. Everyone sees the world through their own experiences and emotions. As the book says, nothing others do is because of you. What others say and do is a projection of their own reality. For example, if someone is rude to you, they might just be having a bad day. You don't have to take their negativity into your heart. Now you might wonder, what if someone truly wants to hurt me with their words? That happens. But even then, remember, their words come from their own pain, fear, or need to control. You can speak up for yourself without absorbing their poison. Their words are not your truth, unless you believe them. Why does it matter? When you stop taking things personally, you protect your inner peace. You become stronger, more centered, and free from other people's opinions. Discussion question. Have you ever taken something personally and later realized it wasn't about you? What happened? How might life be different if you became emotionally immune to others' opinions? 3. Don't make assumptions. We often guess what others are thinking, and we're usually wrong. Instead, ask, clarify, communicate. As Ruiz writes, find the courage to ask questions and to express what you really want. For example, if a friend doesn't reply to your message, don't assume they're upset. Just ask, "Hey, is everything okay?" Why does it matter? Assumptions create confusion and unnecessary drama. Clear, open communication builds stronger, healthier relationships. Discussion question. Can you recall a time when an assumption led to conflict or misunderstanding? How could clearer communication have helped? 4. Always do your best. Your best will look different every day, and that's okay. Just give what you can with the energy and ability you have in the moment. As the book says, just do your best. No more, no less. For example, if you're tired or unwell, your best might mean doing less, but still showing up with care. Don't push yourself to the point of burnout, but also don't give up or coast through life. Why does it matter? When you do your best, you avoid guilt and self-judgment. You feel proud of your effort, even when things aren't perfect. Discussion question. Have you ever felt guilty for not doing more, even when you gave it your all? What's one area of your life where you want to start doing your best, beginning today? So here's a quick recap. 1. Be impeccable with your word. 2. Don't take anything personally. 3. Don't make assumptions. 4. Always do your best. These 4 simple agreements can change how you live, love, and lead. Which one do you want to start practicing today? If this helped you, give it a like, leave a comment, or share it with a friend. See you next time.